When Hamas launched its attack on Israel on October 7, 2023, the lives of persecuted Christians in southern Lebanon were put at grave risk. As Hezbollah fired rockets into Israel, retaliatory strikes landed in Lebanon, forcing many to flee once again. For years, Lebanon has been a refuge for Christians escaping persecution. Tens of thousands of refugees have left everything behind to rebuild their lives. But when war erupted, they found themselves on the run once more, with nowhere to go. Our field ministers and pastoral care team in Lebanon responded immediately, setting up a war refuge center to provide emergency shelter and gospel hope to displaced families. We doubled the capacity of our Seeds of Hope farm to supply fresh food, expanded emergency relief kit distributions, and provided essential supplies, mattresses, blankets, and critical aid, all while offering spiritual care and encouragement. When the war escalated again in September 2024, our War Refuge Center and safe houses were filled within days. Yet, even in crisis, these places became vibrant centers of ministry, where Bible studies, worship, and prayer brought hope to those in need. Then came the ceasefire in late November. People cautiously returned home, only to find their houses reduced to rubble. Many were facing an uncertain future. Now, we are standing with them as they rebuild their lives. In the months ahead, we will help believers find new homes, start businesses through our Enduring Livelihood ministry, and, most importantly, continue walking alongside them, discipling and encouraging them in the Lord through the difficult days ahead. Your generosity makes this possible. Because of you, persecuted Christians are finding safety, hope, and a way forward in the midst of war. To learn more about our work in Lebanon, or to make a gift to support persecuted believers, please visit htp.org/donate.